think little midget's getting along with the animals. Did you find a place here? There's Maggie. There's Moose. There's one of the black cats. There's that cat. There's that cat. I'm just surrounded by them. 1, 2, 3. Maggie says, I want to play too. You fuckers aren't playing without me. No, Maggie's playing with Dinky. Dinky's a better name than Midget. That's a house full of happy animals, I'll tell you that. That little guy. Maggie has been asking me to get her a dog since I got Maggie. Now she's got one. Perfect size too. 7 cats and 2 dogs. Holy shit. Cat, what are you doing? Cat. That's mama cat there. That's mama cat. That's mama cat. Oh, let me rub that belly. Let me rub that belly. Look at that cat. That's a happy cat. Okay, that's it.